This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the hidden experimental settings in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To access the hidden experimental settings, also known as flags, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the address bar. You want to put your mouse cursor in there, erase whatever's in there, and then you'll type about:config. Hit enter. That'll take you to a page that looks something like this. At the very top you have a search bar where you could search for particular settings. Off to the far right there is a show only modified preferences. To the center it has a show all button. If you click on show all, it will show you all of the settings, and you could scroll down through here. There's hundreds of settings that you could change. If you wanted to change one of the settings, like say this top one here, I wanted to change, it is set to false. Off to the far right there is a toggle that if I click on the toggle, now that setting is set to true. Now to change it back to false, you would either click on the toggle again, or you could click on this reset button. Now it's set back to false. That is how to access the hidden experimental settings in the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.